With the development of the Internet, the continued expansion of network nodes and new services, such as mobile office, rapidly going online, enterprise networks are facing greater challenges. To address these challenges, Huawei developed SVF. SVF is the super virtual fabric technology that turns access switches into virtual cards, wireless APs into virtual ports, and the entire network into a virtual switch for easy management. Huawei SVF penetrates the initial stage of network construction, the middle stage of service deployment, and the later stage of daily maintenance, transforming the way networks are managed. Initial stage of network construction. In a traditional network, professional engineers need to travel to remote areas to power on devices and debug services, wasting precious manpower and increasing cost. In an agile network, SVF disregards the difference between wired and wireless devices, so that engineers only need to manage a virtual switch rather than an entire network. Once engineers have conducted a quick pre-deployment at the central equipment room with eSite, non-technical personnel can install and power on devices based on the engineering drawings and can provision services on a plug-and-play basis. Work that previously required 10 engineers now requires only 1, effectively reducing over 80% of the project construction period, saving 90% of project labor cost. Middle stage of service deployment. To support mobile office for internal personnel and meet the needs of external remote access, enterprise IT departments add wireless networks onto the wired network. For example, during enterprise network bandwidth upgrades. In a traditional network, WMM traffic needs to be controlled on wireless APs and QoS needs to be implemented on switches. Every time a service is deployed, the devices on the entire network need to be readjusted. In an agile network, the configuration templates of wired and wireless devices are unified, requiring only one-time QoS command delivery and the virtual switch through eSite. Uniform QoS traffic deployment is achieved without the need to distinguish between wired and wireless APs, speeding up service deployment by at least 30%. Later stage of daily maintenance. In a traditional network, network administrators need to maintain hundreds, if not thousands, of devices on the entire network, making the process error-prone. In an agile network, network administrators need only manage one virtual device through eSite to maintain the hundreds or thousands of wired and wireless devices on the entire network, with network information available at a glance. The information includes the access switch's CPU, memory, alarms, and number of online users, AP status, access location and number of online users, version and patch information of access switches and wireless APs on the entire network. Huawei SVF achieves plug-and-play capability for access switches and uniform management of wired and wireless devices. This ensures fast service deployment and adjustment, providing network administrators with easy-to-use management tools.